Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys an awesome sale that's going on right now at Cricut. Today is the very last day. I wanted to show you that this is an awesome time to stock on certain materials. So I've talked about this before. There's certain sales throughout the year that you really want to snag some of these things to stock up on, and this is one of them. But unfortunately, today is the very last day of this sale. I've been super busy, so I wanted to go ahead and make sure and get the information out today. So the current promotion right now going on is spend $75, get 25% off your total, or spend $100 and get 40% off. I recommend to spend the $100 and get 40% off because you don't have to spend $100 at the end of the day. Once it reaches $100, it takes the 40% off. Then remember, you have 10% access if you're an access member. That makes it 50% off. And if you use a coupon code that you may have from another influencer, that's going to save you another 10%. So that's 60% off total. So you would spend $50 or less with doing it this way. So you're not going to spend $100 if that makes sense. So I highly recommend to go this route right here. Like I said, if you know somebody, I currently do not have a promo code through Cricut. I am working on that. While I don't, you can use somebody else's code. So you can use my links below and you can use somebody else's code. So let me go ahead and touch base on some of the things that I like to buy during this sale. So let's go ahead and get started. If you come over here to accessories, so start with accessories, come to the tool sets. So if you see something like these are normal prices right here, which that's still an awesome deal if you want to buy something that's regular price and then do the sale. But what I like to look for is the stuff that's already on sale and then add that on top. So this tool set is normally $51.49. It's on sale for $25. You can minus off. Once you reach the 100, it's going to give you 40%. Then you have 10% access. Then you have 10% if you use a coupon code, which will bring this down to $12.15. Now, yes, you wouldn't be able to just go buy one of these because you have to reach that $100 to get that 40%. But you could go in and buy 4 of these and get all 4 of them for less than $50. So you could buy these for Christmas gifts for some of your friends and family that you know that has a Cricut, or maybe because Mother's Day is coming up to pass those out. I know it's a little bit late to be ordering, but hey, us moms don't mind if we've got an awesome gift coming. So, like I said, these would come out to $12.15, but maybe you want to get one of these and some other things. So let me go ahead and continue to show some other really good deals to stock up on. So like I said, $12.15. One of the really good ones is the mats. So if you come to the machine mats, the standard mats for 30 of them, the 12 by 12 is $129. With the 40%, the 10% access, and the 10% coupon code, you would get these for $63.18. That means that's $2.10 a mat. So if you get these, that's already going to hit you at that 100, you're going to get that 40%. So that's $63.18. Then you can throw in your tool set for $12.15. Then you're going to be around $70 total. So like I said, 70 mats, that's going to be $2.10 a mat. Perfect stock up item. You could do the same with the 12 by 24 mats. And you can also do the same thing with the light grip. The only thing with the light grip is they're 15 count and they're a little bit more expensive. I have come to really love the green mats recently, so I just recommend going for those. All right, so another really cool thing is if you come up to materials, go to iron on. The glitter vinyl is currently on sale for $6 a roll. So you could come in here and see what all's available right now. Currently, the green is sold out, which is fluorescent green. The rest of them are available. Those are $6 with the 40%, the 10% access, and the 10% coupon code. Those are $3 a roll. You can get, I believe it was 18 rolls for 50 bucks. So for $50 or less, and I actually think it was less than 50, I think it may have been 44, you can get 18 rolls of glitter vinyl. So once you hit 18 rolls, you're going to hit like 109. Then you're going to get the 40%, the 10% access, the 10% coupon code, and you're only going to pay less than 50 bucks for 18 rolls of glitter vinyl. Perfect time to, and that's iron on, by the way, guys. Now, For regular vinyl, once again, I look for the red. For regular, we're going to come over here to vinyl. All right. Now you can see their adhesive foil. They've got the metallic, the matte, the stainless, and then their glitter vinyl are all on sale for $5.75. You can get 20 rolls of those for less than 50 bucks. So 20 rolls of vinyl for less than $50. This is a perfect time to stock up on your glitters. You can mix and match and do whatever you want. You could get more than that if you want to. I'm just saying, if you want to keep it less than $50, you're going to reach that $100 threshold. Then you're going to get that 40%, 10% access, and then the 10% coupon code. That's just a really great time to stock up on those. Now, also, if you come to their bulk items, so you can come to bulk. I love buying their bulk. You can get 10 rolls of their vinyl. Do 5 of your permanent black and 5 of your permanent white. The white is perfect for car decals, etc. Putting on tumblers, whatever you want to do with these things. That's just a perfect stock up. Like I said, 10 of those rolls for less than 50 bucks. That's 150 feet. 150 feet of vinyl. That's awesome. So now you don't have to do all of these at once. So like I said, you could do your tool set. You can do some of your standard mats. You can do your iron-on. You can mix match all these things and get it up to that $100 threshold and spend less than 50 bucks on all of it. So it's just however you want to mix and match it. I'm just showing you what some really, really good deals. And there's several. Just look at all these prices here. This is originally $114.90. It's $20 for a 40 count of the metallics removable vinyl. So just look at these deals, and then like I said, they're included. You can get 40% off that, plus 10%, plus another 10%. So 60% total off of this $20 once you hit that $100, if that makes sense. I hope I'm making sense on all of this. But there's just so many. Look at the chalkboard vinyl. It was originally $74, it's $52, minus the 60%. Just an awesome deal. Let's see. I think that was all of the... let me show you another really cool vinyl one. So come back up to... So if you type in linen in your search bar, you type in linen, right here, the Cricut linen vinyl, it is on sale for $2.99. So some of these things, like not all of their vinyl is, but this one's on sale for $2.99. You can add up to 18 of these. It'll let you go all the way up to 18 here at a time. So each person can only order 18. I don't know how much they have in stock, but those will equal $1.20 each. So those will come up to $1.20 each if you get those. Those are awesome to use for anything. Basically, it's a white. So, and I love the linen color. So those are an awesome stock up item as well. You don't have to do that many. You could do one if you wanted to, 1, 2, however. Another really good deal right now is the blades. I want to show you that really quick. Here we go, blades. This is how I stock up on my premium fine point blades. This is the exact time. So you can either do the 10 count or the 5 count. The 10 count, $99, the 5 count, $49.99. Now, it doesn't matter. It just depends on how many you want to stock up at a time, because basically it's going to be about the same. It's going to be, I mean, obviously it's not the same price, but this is half of this. So it's still both a good deal. So when you do that, so say you get the 10 count, that's what I've purchased. It comes in this little container. That is going to be $44.60 for all of those. Perfect time to stock up on these. It makes it $4.46 each, and you can see they sell them for $14.99 each. These are originally $150, so you're getting them for $4.46. They're perfect. You don't have to buy them forever, for a long, long time. They're perfect to have on hand. So that's another great stock up item. So if you're wanting to spend less than 50 bucks, $44.60, you just buy this. You're going to reach that $100 threshold, and then you're going to get that 40%, the 10%, 10%, if that makes sense. All right, so I think that, okay, one more thing. Let's go back up to materials, go back to fabric. And if you come to fabric, they've had this deal going on now for a little bit. It's $39.99, was originally $129.90. This is a bulk of fabric. So you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 things of fabric for $39.40, Plus, you're going to get the 40%. If you reach that 100, you're going to get 40%, 10%, 10%. And this is going to come to $16. So you'll get all of these for $16. So that's another throw-in item. And you can buy them individually if you want to, but this is going to be the best value. You can look at this one, $2.60. Let's make sure it's in stock. Sometimes it looks like it's in stock, but it's not. It is. $2.60 minus 40%, minus 10% for access, minus 10% promo code. That's going to be less than $1, I think. So is it $1? Dollar something. Look at that. That's an awesome deal. I didn't even notice that one last night. But you can just scroll around. Those are just some of the really good deals. Like I said, look for the red because they're already on sale. Plus, you can still get the 40%, the 10% access, and plus the 10% promo code. Once again, I do not have a promo code currently. I am in the works of trying to get one. So currently, you have to use somebody else's. But please consider using my links down below. I do get a small commission, and that's what kind of helps my channel here. So I truly appreciate it. But remember, today is the last day for this sale. So these are run deals, really awesome stock up items. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.